Hey you guys, what is up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel, make sure you thumbs up this video, and make sure you check out savvynaturalista.com for all your skincare needs. Also, make sure you guys are following me on all my social media sites. Please, Instagram, please, y'all, follow me, double tap a picture or two. With that being said, in today's video, we will be trying Honey Potion by Farmacy, their renewing antioxidant hydration mask. So winter is pretty much here. Well, fall is here, but winter is really upon us. Winter is upon us. With that being said, it's going to be a lot of dry weather. So I decided let's go ahead and do a lot of masks that help with hydrating your skin. I think it's important if you have oily skin, whatever your skin type is, to hydrate your skin. So that's why we will be trying this mask today. So I am really excited for this mask. So I like the fact that it's really jelly and it has like royal jelly extracts in it, and it's like honey. So this mask is really sticky. 1.7 ounces of this mask will run you $38, and 4.1 ounces of Farmacy's Potion mask will run you $56. So it is a pretty pricey mask, but if you are looking to hydrate your skin, go ahead. I also like the fact that it comes with this spatula, and this is what it looks like. So I am going to go ahead and do a close-up for you guys of this mask. Okay, you guys, so here's a close-up of what it looks like. That is the mask. Look at all that jelliness. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it for you guys. Let's go ahead and swatch it, and there you have it. Look at all that jelly. I don't think you're ready for this jelly. I don't think you're ready. Wow, it's really jelly. So let's go ahead and put it on our face. Okay, so now that we did a close-up, I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to my face, trying to use the spatula, but it ain't gonna go too far with the spatula. Oh my god, I just read the directions, and literally you're not supposed to apply the mask to your face with the spatula, and of course I did. So it does say apply a generous amount and spread over your face. So if you saying I'm using too much, it does say apply a generous amount. Oh my god, this is warming. Whoa. Oh my god. It's like warming. Wow. Oh, what? Oh, wow. Oh my god, this is so warming. Oh my god. Oh my god, you guys. It's warming my skin. Like, oh my god, it's so warming. Oh. Oh. Wow. What do you guys think? Look at this. I thought it was gonna be a yellow. I didn't expect it to be this clear. This is an amazing product. Oh my god. Oh. Okay, you guys, so I do want to say this mask doesn't have any scent whatsoever, but it's so warming. Like, this is the perfect mask for if you're sitting at home, relaxing in front of the TV, and it's just cold in your house and you can't afford to turn your heat on. Just if you can't, you know, just add this mask to your skin. But I'm like, if you can't afford to turn the heat on, could you afford this mask? But let's just say you got a sample of it, okay? Oh my god, it's like warming. It's like a beautiful warming sensation to your skin. It feels like just wrapped up with a cozy blanket, warming your skin with hydration and glowness all at the same time. I really like this mask, you guys. Oh my god. So it does say let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then yeah, we'll be back to talk about all this warminess. Oh my god, it just feels so warm. I just love it. Oh, this winter. Oh, winter is coming, and winter is ready for the honey potion. With that being said, I'll be back. Okay, you guys, so we're back, and the mask has been on my face for 10 to 15 minutes, and this is what it looks like. So this is the Okay, so this is what it looks like. Oh my God, this is so hydrating. I can already tell my skin is gonna glow after this, baby. Yes, come through, honey potion from Farmacy. Come through. With that being said, I do want to say this first. If you have sensitive skin, very pale skin, if your skin tone is very pale, you may be a little bit off put by this mask because it does have that warming sensation. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and wipe my face. Okay, you guys, so now that my face is officially rinsed and dry, I'm gonna go ahead and do a close-up so we could talk about it. So this is my cheek, this is my other cheek, this is my nose, this is my chin, and this is my forehead. There is a little redness, I will say. Yeah, there is a little redness, a little bit of some texture here. And yeah, let's talk about it. Okay, you guys, let's talk about honey potion, honey potion, honey potion. I really wanted to give this mask a 5 out of 5, but I'm gonna go ahead and give it a 4 out of 5. This mask is amazing. I've never felt a mask that warms your face the way this mask does. However, if you have sensitive skin, if you have fickle skin, y'all know my skin's fickle, it's combination. If you have fickle skin, it will cause some sort of texture to your skin. If you have pale skin, sensitive leaning pale skin, it will cause redness and texture to your skin, and it gave me that sort of redness and texture to my skin. But all in all, I really like the mask. It did what it was supposed to do. It was supposed to hydrate my face, and it hydrated my skin. I will say you may need to use a cream. I did put Indie Lee's Olive Siliquid on my face, and it doesn't look glowing. Like the Siliquid doesn't look like it's making my skin glow with the mask. It looks more greasy, as you can tell. So I would recommend, if you are going to use this mask, maybe use like a water-based cream or a very light cream, because this moisturizing mask is so heavy that you won't really need to use a cream or a moisturizer after. But I do suggest you use a moisturizer. Just use a very lightweight moisturizer after this mask, because anything else that you will add with this mask will have your skin looking like mine. Like, it's not looking glowy, it's just looking jagged. So with that being said, it's just looking greasy. And you know, it is winter time, and I don't know, maybe as winter progresses, it will have more of a, you know, absorption with any type of siliquid oil or any type of other oil. However, just for now, this is looking messy with the oil, so maybe a lightweight cream plus this mask. But if you have very dry skin, if you have skin that is oily but dry, just, you know, the winters get very dry, especially if you're in the desert, especially if you are in tundras where you get lots and lots of snow. The winter can be dry and arid to your skin, and the humidifier may not be enough, and your moisturizers and serums may not be enough. And this is where this mask comes in. It is the perfect wintertime moisturizing mask. It keeps you warm and cozy as it is on your skin. It is easy to rinse off. It's not greasy, it's not sticky, it goes off really nice. However, because that warming sensation is there, it will leave some texture to your skin if you have sensitive skin or you have fickle skin. I got fickle skin. Some days it want to cooperate, and other days it doesn't. And today it did not want to cooperate with the mask, and it gave me that texture from the warming sensation. With that being said, even though my skin is textured, is hydrated, and I like the mask, you know, my neck look good though. Y'all look at my neck. I did the same exact thing to my neck, and look at my neck. Now look at my face. So, you know, sometimes, you know, different parts of your body act up, and that happened to me. With that being said, can you just imagine a nice cozy night watching a scary movie, cuddled up with your boyfriend in this warming mask with your Laneige lip sleeping mask on your lips? Just a perfect night. With that being said, I want to thank you. I should say husband because I'm married, but I'm always saying boyfriend. But with that being said, I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you check out SavvyNaturalista.com for all your skincare needs. Miracle Glow Oil as well as our soaps that we have. Check them out. Also, make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. Thank you so much. I love you, and I'll see you in our next video. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. I love you so much. Bye, you guys. Mwah!